Ever wondered how to perfectly roast a chicken? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets to achieving that golden, crispy skin and juicy, succulent meat. Imagine the aroma of a perfectly roasted chicken wafting from your kitchen. The sizzle as it cooks, the anticipation as you wait to carve into it. This, my friends, is the joy of cooking. Let's start with the star of our show, a 3 to 4 pound chicken. Ensure it's at room temperature before anything else. Cold chicken tends to cook unevenly, and we want perfection, don't we? Next, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms up, pat the chicken dry using a paper towel. This step ensures the skin crisps up beautifully during roasting. Now season the chicken. Rub it inside and out with a generous amount of salt and pepper. Don't skimp on this step. This is where we build the layers of flavor that make a roast chicken so delightful. For the filling, combine a halved lemon, a handful of fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary, and a whole head of garlic, sliced in half horizontally. Stuff this into the cavity of the chicken. The heat from the roasting process will coax out the flavors from these ingredients, infusing the chicken with a subtle aromatic profile. Truss the chicken. Tie the legs together with kitchen twine and tuck the wingtips under the body. Trussing ensures even cooking and also makes for a neater presentation. Place the chicken on a roasting rack in a roasting pan. Roast the chicken for about an hour and a half, or until the juices run clear when you cut between a leg and thigh. Remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for about 20 minutes before carving. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the chicken, making it even more succulent. So, to recap, the perfect roast chicken begins with a room temperature bird, dried thoroughly and seasoned generously. Stuff the cavity with aromatic herbs, citrus, and garlic. Truss the chicken for even cooking and neat presentation. Roast at a high temperature until the juices run clear, then let it rest before carving. That's the secret to a delicious roast chicken, so go ahead, give it a try. Unleash your inner chef and create something delicious today. Enjoy the process, enjoy the anticipation, and most importantly, enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Happy cooking!